welcome back to Venom Workshop. So today I'm going to show you how on your 1000-watt E-racer here, how to set the wheel alignment. It's very easy. You're going to need two 13-mil wrenches, and we're just going to come over here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come from the back on this one. See if I can get my camera as straight as possible. There we go. And you're going to want to get your handlebars straight. So just center your handlebars exactly straight. Just like that. And then you're going to come back here and you're going to look from the back. And already I can see that that tire is out in the front. So if you come down to here, and there's going to be a lot of this back and forth stuff there, so don't get frustrated. Right there, there's an adjuster nut. So don't move the wheel, leave the wheel where it is. Just loosen off that nut. Right there. And then there's another one farther up right here. And we're going to loosen that off too. And we're just going to turn it. There we go. Now, as you rotate this, this center adjuster, it will move the tire. So if you see the tire moving there, and like that. So I'm going to go look from the back now. And it's still a little out. So we'll adjust it a little bit in. Like that. And that's perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come back and put these lock nuts into position, and it goes closest to the tire on this side and then closest to the other differential over there. So then we're going to tighten that off. The reason I say have two wrenches is so the center doesn't turn when you tighten this. So I'm going to hold mine with my hand. There we go. And that's it. So you just repeat on the other side. It's the exact same thing. Same process. Make sure your handlebars are nice and straight. And then loosen these nuts off. And then you can use the adjuster in and out, whichever way you need to go for your tire, to set it back up. So that's it, guys. That is how you do a wheel alignment on a 1000-watt E-racer.